Hi everyone, it's Christina. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a desk tour. This is the first area of my room I wanted to give you guys a tour of. If you guys haven't seen my extreme bedroom makeover tour yet, I will post a link down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So this is generally what my desk looks like. I try to keep it very simple and minimal. Pretty much everything I do is on my laptop, and sometimes I need a dual screen. That's why I have my Thunderbolt Apple monitor. So the desk is from IKEA, and I actually just spray painted the legs to make it gold. It used to be all white, but I thought it would be more unique if I just spray painted the legs gold. So starting on the left hand side, as you can see, I have my Santal candle, some aloe vera, and a bunch of pens and pencils and highlighters. This Santal candle is from Diptyque. It's an amazing scent if you guys want to check it out. This is my aloe vera plant. The great thing about this is it's actually like a dual purpose. Like, it looks good as a plant, but you can also use it for medicinal purposes. The aloe vera plant I got from a local plant store, and these are all my pens and pencils and highlighters. This pen holder is from Kate Spade, and inside it says "A Stroke of Genius." Everything that I bought, I'll have a link down below if you guys want to take a look. And this is my lightning bolt monitor. Unfortunately, they don't make this anymore, and so I had to get this secondhand. And then this is my MacBook Pro, which is also pretty old. So I do pretty much all of my work on my laptop, and sometimes, like I said, I need a second screen just to spread everything out, make things easier to edit and look at and things like that. I'm just going to close the laptop here. So this is actually a case from Etsy that I got, and I'm just so in love with this case, and it goes with my white and gold theme. I don't have a nightstand because my room is not big enough. I'm using this side of my desk as a nightstand. This is a clock I got from Amazon. This clock is like a sunrise clock, so it slowly gets brighter and brighter like a sunrise would. It is so much easier to get up with this light. So one of the things I love about this IKEA desk is that there's this door at the back of the desk, and you can just hide all of the electronic cords and stuff and whatever you don't want on your desk. It's just a great way to make the desk look more clean and finished. So I just keep all my electronics in here, like my extra cords and camera equipment, and I also have an external hard drive in there to back up my laptop. And that's everything I have on my desktop. This ghost chair I actually got on Amazon as well. So in the left-hand drawer, I don't have much. On the left-hand side here, I just have my extra stuff. And normally I don't really like having extra stuff. Sometimes, you know, when you want to buy something, you have to buy it in a pack. So that's what this extra stuff is. I have things like sanitary wipes and Kleenex and mints and things like that. And this is my spare key for my car. This is butane for the lighter that I have when I want to light my candles. And this is the Rubik's Cube that I practice with. I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube a few years ago, and I just like to solve it once in a while just to keep my skills up. So that's pretty much it for the first drawer. On to the right hand side. So this is a stapler which says "Keep It Together," which is kind of cute. This is a tape dispenser which says "Make It Stick." These are Kate Spade scissors which says "A Cut Above." And this is a stapler remover that says "Let Loose." And this is actually a notebook I got in Australia from a place called Typo. There's also a ruler, which I forgot to pick up, that says for good measure. So like I said, my room isn't big enough to fit a nightstand, so I use the right-hand side of my desk for a nightstand instead. The first thing is this essential oil from Sage. It's just a mix of peppermint oil and lavender oil, and I actually use this when I get migraines as well. This is my Bible I recently purchased, and then at the back here I have 3 books that I'm currently reading. The first book I'm reading right now is from Mindy Kaling. It's called Is Everyone Hanging Out Without Me? The second book is called Get Your Together. And the third book is called 15 Minutes Alone with God. And that is it for my desk tour. It's very simple and minimal. I'm going to be starting a minimalist series soon, so I'll just tell you guys everything that I'm doing to organize and minimalize my life. So that is going to be it for my video today, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment in the comment box down below. I love reading your comments and responding to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!